morning. Welcome to Central Balance Live. My name is Daisy. I'm the acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist working for Central Balance. Today my topic is cough. So how many of you cough a lot, or you know anybody who cough a lot? If you do cough, or you do know somebody cough, please reply 1 or yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so cough, generally, cough can be an independent problem or a common symptom of many kinds of lung system diseases. It can be dry cough without a phlegm, or cough with scanty or profuse phlegm. Etiology in Chinese medicine for cough: number 1, external factors like pathogenic wind, cold, summer heat, dampness, dryness, and fire. Number 2, dysfunction of internal organs, mostly lungs. However, other organs can also cause cough. Diseases like pneumonia, cold, the flu, they can have this symptom. And COVID, when you get COVID, you might have cough too, right? And for cough, there are some things you can do to help yourself, like your lifestyle. I have some recommendations. First, you need to keep warm, so that you stay away from wind, cold. If you like exercise outdoors, if you think it's good to do every day, probably it's not good idea. Now, when it's very windy, very cold, or raining heavily, it's better not to go out. And number 2, anyone who coughs with profuse phlegm should avoid greasy, sweet, and fatty foods, also spicy and dry foods. Number 3, give up smoking and alcohol. Do some outdoor exercise. Keep good ventilation of the room. Number 4, keep calm. That's emotional stuff. So, which means cough is also related to your emotions. All right. Okay. Today I'm going to show you the points that can help if you massage on it. So before we talk about the points, firstly, the tools we can use. So number 1 is your thumb. When you use your thumb, you need to be careful with your fingernail. Sorry, my fingernail is slightly long. You need to make sure you cut your fingernail before you start to massage, that so you don't scratch yourself. Right? Okay. Number 2 is your knuckle. So your index finger, and bend your index finger and lock it with your thumb. Then you can massage. Number 3, again, you can use a pen. So normally the pen, the edge is quite smooth, or anything with a smooth edge. We'll see. I got this one here. If you have a tool or something like this, that with a smooth edge, you can use it too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So the points we choose. For cough, I have a very good point. No matter what kind of cough, you can massage here. So which is on your wrist. So on your wrist, just below your thumb. So when you press down, if you can feel the your artery, the pulse, then just slightly go outside. So it's here. So massage first. Massage with your thumb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so then you can use your knuckle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can do one group, which is 30 seconds. You can do 3 groups or 10 groups or 10 sets or whatever. If you don't cough a lot, then you probably once a day will be enough. Otherwise, you can do at least 3 times a day, 5 times a day, or 10 times a day. Or you can massage every time when you cough. Another point is here on your thumb. So just the little side of your fingernail. So slightly below and slightly away from the corner of your fingernail. So however, this point is better when you cough a lot, when you have like a cold or flu. If you cough a lot with the phlegm, and the phlegm looks yellow and thick, then you can do here. Or if you cough and with the fever, you can massage here. So same, your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or use a pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right. Okay, same with the other point here. So 1 time, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. There's no limit, but at least 1 time a day. Okay. If you feel better, please reply 1. And if you don't feel better after 1 time, you might feel better after a few times or after a couple of days. If you still don't feel better, please go to our website, www.balancetcm.co.nz. Email us to make an appointment or call us on 07846 7956 to make an appointment. So we have clinic in Auckland, in Raglan, and in Dinsdale, Hamilton. And the Hamilton is the main one. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. And if you like my video, please share it on your Facebook page and share with your friends so we can help as many as possible. Thank you a lot. I'll see you next time.